Thank you for purchasing the Secure Lynx Indoor 2 camera. To get started, open the box and you should see 5 items: the Lynx Indoor camera, the camera base, a power supply unit, the setup instructions, and a small plastic bag with screws and wall anchors. Setup works best when the camera is located in the same room as the router. The camera can be moved later. First, connect the power cord to the back of the camera and then plug into a working power outlet. You will begin to see the LED light on the bottom left of the camera turn solid orange. Next, you will see the LED lights alternate from green to orange, indicating the camera is now ready for setup. Please note, this may take up to 2 minutes from when the camera is first powered on. Now you will need to download the Secure app. You can find the app by searching for it in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. There are other apps with a similar name, so you want to make sure you are looking at the Secure app. Here's what it looks like. Open the app and click on I'm setting up a new camera. Select Lynx Indoor from the list, then select the model number. On the next screen, your camera will show as Lynx Indoor 2, followed by 4 characters that match the MAC ID found on the sticker located on the back of the camera. Tap to select your camera, then name your camera. Once you have named your camera, press Next to go to the Wi-Fi selection screen. Select your Wi-Fi network and press Next. Here you will enter in your personal Wi-Fi password and press Join. If you entered your password correctly, it will take you to the account page. If you enter it incorrectly, you will be prompted to re-enter your password. If you are an existing customer, press I already have an account. If you don't have an account, press I'm creating a new account and complete the form. Once the camera has been registered, you will see 2 more screens before being prompted to log in. Once logged in, it may take up to 2 minutes before your Lynx Indoor 2 camera appears. If you are placing the camera on a tabletop, slide the loop of the camera into the base and tighten the screw at the bottom with a Phillips screwdriver. If you are mounting the camera to a wall, twist the back plate off of the base and remove the metal disc inside. Screw the back plate onto the wall, making sure that the up arrow is pointing up. Now twist on the base until it clicks into position. Finally, plug in the camera and slide the loop of the camera down into the base. You are now ready to use your new Secure Lynx Indoor 2 camera.